Deutsche Bank plus Key Rock plus Ripple RLUSD. We are go for launch. Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the XRP community. Appreciate you guys as always for sticking around and showing tremendous amount of love. Let's get right in today's topic because we got a lot to discuss. So, first and foremost, and again, if you do follow my channel and watch, pretty much all the updates that I bring out, I'm sure you guys kind of know what's happening over the course of the last few hours. But since yesterday, when we originally spoke about XRP, a lot has happened for the broader market. Bitcoin broke towards $67,000, almost $68,000 to be specific, retesting July levels. And on top of that, Bitcoin dominance also went up with Bitcoin price. So if you're looking at the market right now, you're seeing a little bit of 50-50 playing out. Some coins are up, holding the momentum. Some coins are seeing a little bit of a retracement, which kind of makes sense as to what's really happening. But as far as XRP's price is concerned, currently sitting at 54.3 cents, down about 0.3% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative, down about 3.2% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap is at about $30.7 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is still holding above $1 billion, to be exact, around 1.3 billion. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So the firm is waiting for regulatory approval from the New York Department of Financial Services for the public rollout of RLUSD, president of Ripple Labs, Monica Long, said in an interview with CoinDesk. From our side, we are operationally ready. And you can see for RLUSD and stablecoins generally, we definitely have validated the utility of them with payments, Long said. We're also believers in the broader trend of real-world asset tokenization. When we think beyond tokenizing money to different instruments and capital markets like securities and bonds, real estate and other assets, you need a stable coin that's trusted and very reliable, very robustly managed for on and off ramps as well. RLUSD's value will be backed by short-term US Treasuries, dollar deposits, and cash equivalents, and is currently in test mode on the XRP ledger and Ethereum network. You've heard that correct. And this is something that has been quite clear to the XRP community because Brad Garlinghouse has stated that the launch of RLUSD is not weeks, so it's not months away. It's actually weeks away. So now, as we know, again, if you follow the channel on a regular basis, we know the regulation is coming towards crypto. And a lot of, stable coins, specifically speaking, that don't have the regulatory compliance, they're being delisted. They're being forced to be delisted because, of course, there's a lot of red flags. And, could this really put in, a little bit of, a push for RLUSD to get that regulatory approval? Let's see what happens. But, the landscape, as we know, is shifting, and it's shifting very, very fast. And I think we are coming up on the horizon for, the RLUSD launch, which is going to be very, very interesting to see. And I think it's going to have a very positive impact on the entire ecosystem itself. But moving forward, you could see press release, BitNominal Ripple Partnership, RLUSD for settlement of the new perpetual futures on the new perpetual trading platform, Botanical. Strategic partnership with Ripple, BitNominal announces US perp futures trading platform Botanical, backed by $25 million funding round led by Ripple. So pretty much Ripple, donating or, kind of investing or helping out, BitNominal launch this perp future platform by, starting off with $25 million funding round. And you could see to leverage RLUSD for the settlement of the perp futures. In addition to the funding round, BitNominal is thrilled to announce a strategic partnership with Ripple to leverage their stablecoin RLUSD for the settlement of the perp futures, which is huge. So, this kind of makes me wonder, and let me know if you guys are still on the same page as well. We know BitNominal has been backing Ripple quite a bit. So could this really kind of be the reason? Because, you are seeing Ripple out here, starting off this funding round with 25 million, but without a doubt, still big stuff happening. Let me know in the comments what you guys personally think about that. But moving forward, congratulations to Sheila Bear, former FDIC chair, joins the RLUSD advisory board, Ripple, next to Chris Larsen. Twice named by Forbes magazine as the second most powerful woman in the world, she is perhaps best known as chair of Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation from 2006 to 2011. So very interesting. Some big names, with extensive amount of experience in the traditional finance sector are coming in and joining the board, and this is a big statement nonetheless. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. And I know a lot of people are going to talk about why is the token price not going up. Speaking about the token price, speaking about that long-awaited lawsuit, it's just literally hurting people's heads at this point. And I'm gonna make a separate video on that because obviously there's big developments coming out specifically about that scenario as well, and it could be dragged longer. And I know a lot of people are frustrated about that more than ever, but in terms of people that are within the community are starting to actually focus on the bigger picture as to what's really happening, what Ripple is really